Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The app is installed, you've allowed location access, and any required profiles or developer mode are enabled. Next, open the location changer and grant precise location permission. This lets the app inject coordinates. Once done, disable native location services for the target app to avoid conflicting signals. Make sure your iPhone is charged and on Wi-Fi if the app needs map downloads. This gets you into the actual spoofing workflow. Without wasting time, you now pick a location and fine-tune how it's presented. Search the address or drop a pin, and if precision matters, input latitude/longitude. Then configure movement options. Create a route, set speed, and add stops to mimic natural travel. Next, toggle persistence so the spoof remains after sleep or app restart. Enable app whitelist so only chosen apps see the fake location. Once configured, apply and test by opening the target app to confirm it reads the new coordinates. You finish by verifying the result and applying final fixes. Open the target app and watch for the spoofed position. If it doesn't update, force quit and relaunch the target app and the location changer. Once done, lock the device and wake it to ensure persistence. If the location drifts, try toggling airplane mode briefly or restart your iPhone to clear caches. Troubleshooting tip: if spoofing fails repeatedly, confirm permissions and profiles, then reinstall the changer app or consult its support for device-specific steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.